If you're about to order takeout because the fridge looks empty, wait, trust me, you don't need cooking skills, fancy ingredients, or a lot of time. Let's fire it up. Start by boiling 200 grams of pasta. While that's going, wash and chop some garlic, onion, a few mushrooms, and 1 single tomato. Heat a pan with a little olive oil and add some butter. Now add the onion and garlic that you chopped and let them soften. Then add the mushrooms and don't stir them too much. Let them sit for a minute. Look at all this liquid. Let the ingredients cook in that steam. After most of the water has evaporated, we are ready to add the tomato paste. Now add the chopped tomato and let it break down and turn into a sauce. You can add some pasta water here so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Salt, pepper, add some oregano as well. Once it starts boiling like that, add a handful of spinach. Again, we are using whatever we have in the fridge. As a final step, you can also add some milk for a thick sauce. By now, your pasta should be ready. Add it straight into the pan. And there you have it. Feel free to garnish with some cheese of your choice, and it's time to serve. Wanna try?
Sure. I'm always scared when she cooks. What kind of experiment it is? Let's see. Not that bad. She can cook. At least she can cook pasta.
I hope you make this pasta at home. Please share in the comments your go-to pasta recipe. Leave a like. And follow us for more recipes, not only pasta ones.
See you in the next one.
1 single tomato. 1 single tomato. 1 single tomato. It's cracked a little bit. 1 single tomato. Was my hand like fighting like this?